Let me share my screen.
Hey, you have this? Captain Underwear.
What
Captain
is this? This is the
Pants.
okay.
Captain Underpants.
That's great. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I do. Wait,
Okay.
yes, wait, no, wait, yes.
Just tell me, are you practicing whatever we are doing or not?
Wait, I think.
Yes, I am uploading all the work in the Teams. You can go there in the Teams and you can find that. See, in the previous class, we have done the question number 2nd. Okay, now see here. Question number up to here we have done up to here, and now we have to start from question number 3.
Okay.
Jesse, here arrange these numbers in ascending order. Do you know what is ascending order?
No.
I have taught you what is ascending order means. Increasing order. It means you have to arrange from the smaller number first, then the larger number, then bigger number, then more bigger number, like this. We have done the ascending order, increasing order, both are same. Suppose the numbers are 221, 241, 132 and 156. Suppose these are the numbers and we have to arrange this in ascending order. It means we have to arrange from first we will write the smaller number, then the bigger number, then much bigger number, like this the pattern will goes on. So what is the smallest number among these? This is 200, this is 200, this is only 100, this is only 100. So 100 are the smallest numbers. So we will check from these two numbers. This here it is 32, here it is 56. So in the place of 10, see the tens place is 33, in here the tens place is 5. So which is smallest number? 132 is the smallest number because 3 is the smallest. So I have written here 132. We have find the smallest number. Now we have written this number and these three numbers are remaining. Now the smallest number among these three are 156. Now I have written these two numbers. I have written these two numbers and these two are remaining. Now we will see whether which number is smaller than that we will write here. So here is also 200, here is also 200. But see the tens place, in the tens place here is 2. In the tens place here is 4. So which is small? 2 is small. So it will become 221 will be the next number. And the largest number, the greatest number will be 241. So like this we have to arrange the question, that question in the ascending order. This is the ascending order and it is also known as increasing order. Now tell me, is it clear or not? Please ask if you have any doubt.
No. Yes.
Yes, then ask.
Yeah.
Ask what is the doubt 502? What? Yes. Ask your doubt. Ask your doubt. Hello 586.
No.
Hello.
What's your doubt was? Hello.
Where have you gone?
Sorry, I'm late. The internet has.
It's okay. No
Internet.
problem. No problem. See here. 502. What's the problem? You haven't told me your problem. What's the problem in ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller number to the bigger number. Okay, so what first we are doing, we have written the smallest number, then the bigger number, then more bigger number, and the last the biggest number. Can you see everyone?
Yeah. Yes, I can see everything.
Yes. Now see here, let's solve this question 3a. See the numbers 195, 4919, 291 and 192. So you have to tell which is the smallest number. So we will write that smallest number in the first box. Okay, because we have to arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order, what does it mean? Ascending order means from smallest to biggest. From
What's the biggest?
smallest, we will write from smallest to the biggest number. To the biggest number.
From 1 to 1,000?
No, see the option is given. See here, can you see the option 195, 419, 291 and 129. So how you will check?
I know the lowest one. I know the lowest one. The lowest one is 129, then it goes 195, and then it goes to. Wait, no. I mean 129, and then 191, then 195, and then 419.
No, then 291. So see, let's see how to find the smallest number. First, see the 100 place. This is the 100 place.
129, then 195, then 291, then 4.
Yes.
4.
Yes, then 119. Correct. Correct.
I
Correct.
chose 194.
Yes. See everyone. So first see the 100 place. This 100 place is 1. Here 100 place the number is 4. Here 100 place the number is 2. And here the 100 place the number is 1. So which is the smallest number that the 100 place is having? Smallest number. It means 195 and 129. See, I'm writing the number this side. Okay, just a minute. See that this number I am writing here 195, 419, 291 and 129. Now see, first check the 100 place. Here 100 place is 1, 100 place is 4, here 200 and here 100, right? So these two numbers are having 1 in the 100 place, that is 100 and 100. So these two numbers are the smallest number. Now among these two numbers, which is the most smallest? Which is more smaller number? See
the most
now.
smallest number is 129.
Yes. One here the tens place is having 2 and here the tens place is having 9. So 2 is smaller, so our first number will be 129. Because 2 is smaller in the tens place and here 9 is bigger. So
Because
129 is
two
our
is the second
first
number, and 9 is the ninth numbers, and 2 in the second number.
Yes. Please be quiet. Let everyone understand. Okay. So this is our first smallest number. Now the second smallest number will be 195. The second smallest number will be 195. Why? Because see, in the hundred place it is having 100 and the rest numbers are having 400 and 200. So our next number is 195. Now see, these two numbers are left. Now see which is the smallest, 419 or 291. In the tens place 4 is here, and in the in the hundred place 4 is there, and in the hundred place 2 is here. So what we will write, 2 is smallest number, then 291 will be the third smallest number. And the last, the biggest number, that will be 419. So how we'll write in the box? In the first box we will write 129. In second box 195. In the third box 291. In the fourth box 419. Now everyone tell me, is this clear now?
Yes,
5
it's
6,
clear.
502.
Yes.
Okay, 5 6, is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you will tell me the next one, the B part. Tell me everyone, what will be in the first box? Everyone tell me what will be in the first box.
Which one?
See, this is the number. These are the numbers.
Oh.
And you have to arrange it in
The first
ascending
one.
order.
The first one will be 116, and then this. Wait, these in order?
Correct. 116 will be the first one.
And then 116, and then 161.
Correct.
And then 611.
Correct.
And then 716.
Yes, correct. Correct. Now 502 you will tell me. Now 502, tell me the sequence. Tell me the sequence now.
Okay. The sequence? What is the sequence?
Sequence means arrange the numbers from in ascending order. Tell me the smallest number.
Smallest number? Oh, I know. Is it 100, 160? Wait, is it 611?
611 is the biggest number. See, here 116 and 161. These two are the smallest number. See the 100 place, this is 100 and this is 600. So 600 is more. And we have to write the smallest number. Which number will come here? Tell me which number will come here. Count and tell me. You can't count here, but you can see the 100 place. Check the 100 place. Check the 100 place. Which number is smaller? Just tell me the number. 502 and 586. I want the answer from both of you now. Both of you will answer me. What will be the here in the first box? See here, this is the first number 116. Now 611 is the second number. 161 is the third number. And 716 was this fourth number. Tell me now, both of you tell me. Which number will come in the first box? In the first place, which number will come?
116.
Correct. And you all tell me. Others also tell. Others also tell. Which number will come? See, 100 place. This is the 100 place. 100 place is having 100. Here 100 place is having 600. 100 place is having 100 and 100 place is having
700.
700. Yes. So see all the 100 place. These here is 100 and
100.
here is 100. Yes, wait. See, both the numbers are having 100. So these two numbers are smaller number. Now, among these two numbers, which is more smallest number? See the tens place.
The most
100
smallest number. The
Yes,
most
see?
smallest number is 116.
Yes. See
Which
here
is
the 100 place is same. Now check the tens place. This is the tens place.
the
This
10th
is the
place.
tens place. This is the tens place.
And
So
then
how
at
to check the tens place? See here in the tens place
second
number is
place instead
6.
of 10th place.
Here the number in the tens place is 1. So which is smaller? 1 is smaller than 6. 1 is the smallest number. So it will be 116 will be the first number. 116 will be the first number. Now second number will be 161. So we have written these two numbers. Now these two are remaining. 611 and 716. So which is the smallest number among these two numbers? Here is 600, here is 700. 600 is more smaller number. So we will write here 611 because 6 is smaller than 7. Now in the last, the next number will be 716. 716 is the biggest number. So how will write here? 116, 161, 611 and 716. So now tell me 586 and 502. You both are not answering me. Is this question is clear to you or not?
Yes. I know the answer.
You know the answer? 586. Do you know?
I don't.
586. Is it clear to you? 586.
Not that really.
Not really. What is not clear? Please ask. Ask. What is not clear to you?
So the problem is.
There's a problem. Please ask.
So can you actually say the whole entire thing over?
What?
I thought I heard.
What you have not heard? What you have not heard? We know how to arrange in ascending order. We have done it in so many classes. Do you know how to arrange in ascending order? First tell me how to arrange in ascending order. Which number we will write in the first? Smallest number or the biggest number?
Smallest number first.
Smallest number. You also tell me, everyone, 502 and 586. Tell me which number we write in the first, smallest number or biggest number? Tell me everyone, why you both are not answering?
I do not know why they are not answering, but I know. Hey, she left. Why she left? Hey,
you are not doing good.
Hey. Oh, yes, I'm doing good. Sorry, that was my mom actually.
Student, concentration just answer to
I answered only one. I don't want to answer.
Clever, cutting it in your shoe.
Oh, he's doing back. But don't call him a he.
Okay.
Call him
Can
a
you see now? Can you see my screen?
no. Nope. I can't see your screen now again. I only see. Okay, now
Yes,
I can.
I think now.
Now I
you
can.
can see.
No, I can. I can.
Okay, okay. Okay. So I'm asking from 502 and 586. You both are not answering any question. What's the problem? Why you are getting problem in ascending order? See here, if a number, there is a number like 700, 500, 200. Can you see the number? 700, 500 and 200. So how to arrange this in ascending order? What we are doing? We are seeing the 100 place. This is the 100 place. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. So we will check the 100 place. Here 7 is there and 5 is there. So which is more? 7 is more bigger number or 5 is bigger number?
7.
Yes, 7 is bigger number. So this is the bigger number. Now you just see the next two number. 5 here, 5 is there and here 2 is there in the 100 place. So 5 is bigger or 2 is bigger? Tell me.
500.
Yes, 5 is bigger. So from here what we have found, which is the smallest number?
200.
Yes, 200 is the smallest number. So I have written here 200. Now from the remaining two numbers 700 and 500, which is the smallest number? Tell me. We have written 200 here. Now 700 is there and 500 is there. These two are left. So we now second smallest number. 700 is smaller or 500 is smallest?
500.
Yes, 500. Now next, the remaining number, that is 700, is the biggest number. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So like as we have done here, the same way we have to do like this also, this question also. This is same question, just here two zeros are there and instead of that here the numbers are given in the tens and ones place. Rest are the same. Now tell me the descending order, just a minute.
Okay. 116.
Wait a minute. Not this. I am asking now descending order. This now come to the question number 4. Now this is descending order. It means this is the opposite of ascending order. So what we are doing in descending order, we are writing the biggest number for in the first place. First we are writing the biggest number, then the next the smallest number, then more smaller number, then more smaller number. It will goes on like this. So see the numbers of first question is 670, 607, 706 and 760. 586, you are not answering. You have to answer the question also. Please answer. Now tell me, here you have to arrange in descending order.
So that means the bigger number, then go down.
Yes. First bigger.
This is easy.
Yeah, tell me the biggest number first.
760.
Yes, 760. And have you both tell me 586 and 502, tell me the biggest number among these numbers.
760.
Yes, and 586, not your turn, answer.
Okay, so next one, 706.
Yes, next one will be 706. First, tell the first one. The first number will be 760. This is the biggest number because it is having 700 and in tens place also it is having 6.
And then
Now
the
the
ones
next
place
number will
is
be
0.
yes. Next number will be 706 because in 100 place there is 7.
And the next one would be 670.
Yes, correct. The next one will be 670. Why 670? In 100 place, both are having same number, that is 6. But in the tens place, here is 7 and here is 0. So 7 is bigger than 0. So this is the bigger number. That is 670. And in the last, the smallest number among these will be 6.
607.
Yes, correct. 607.
I'm so
Now
small.
tell me everyone, is this clear?
Yes, it's clear. Yes.
Okay. And 502 and 586, tell me, is it clear?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So it's clear to everyone now. Now next, everyone tell me the next one.
Okay.
It's also arranged in descending order, the next part, B part.
Oh, complete the
This
numbers
one.
using
No.
700.
This one.
Oh yeah.
This
Oh
one.
yeah. B. It's B. B.
Yes, B.
940. Wait. 944.
944.
495. 316 and 511.
Yeah, these are the numbers. Arrange this in descending order.
The lowest number is 316. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, but no, I mean.
Wait, I'm writing the numbers here. Wait, I'm writing the numbers here. See from here.
Descending order.
See, I have written the number here. Now arrange in descending. See the question properly. Descending.
Descending.
From
The biggest number is 944.
no, not 944. Check properly. This is not the biggest number.
Wait,
Is it? Is it or no? Is it biggest number or not?
yes.
Yes, this is biggest. I'm just confusing you. I just want to see whether you get confused or not. Yes, this is the biggest number. And 502 and 586. 502 and 586. 502, tell me. 586, tell me the biggest number.
944.
Correct. 944 is the biggest number. Now tell me the second biggest number. We have written this number. Now these are left. Now tell me the next number.
Wait, okay. 511.
Yes. Correct. 511.
And then next is 495, and then next is 316.
Correct. Your answer is correct. And 586. 586. Tell me the next number.
The next number?
After 511.
360 and 493. 316?
No, 316 is smallest. See, here 3 and here 4 is there. 3 smallest numbers, and we have to write the biggest number on these two.
Obviously,
It will be 495. It will be 495. And the last one will be 316.
Just need a call.
Okay?
Okay.
Now see here. See the fifth question. Compare the following numbers using this sign. So which sign is this? This is the sign of equals to.
66.
Good then.
This is the sign of equals to. It means both the sides number are equal, then we are using this sign. Now this is the sign of greater. It means whenever here in the left side any greater number is there, then we are using this sign. And this is the sign of smaller. So in the left hand side, if any number is smaller than the right hand side number, then we are using this smaller sign. So now let's check here.
Okay, I get it.
Okay, I get it.
167
Are you
and
copying me?
128. See here, 167 and 128. Now tell me, which is the smallest number, 167 or 128?
128 is the smaller number.
128 is smaller number. It means the left hand side of the number, that is 167, is the biggest number. Right?
The biggest number is
Yes, this is the biggest number.
What?
So we will put here the bigger sign. Which is the bigger sign? This is the greater sign. This is
The greater sign.
Yes.
The greater
So
sign.
here,
Now the next one.
wait a minute. See, always see the numbers of here in the left hand side, okay, and put the sign accordingly. See, in the left hand side the number is 167, that is greater than 128. So we have put the here greater sign. Now similarly see here 159 and 161. So now tell me, 159 is bigger number or 161 is the bigger number?
161 is the bigger number.
Yes, this is the bigger number. It means the number on the left hand side is the smallest
So that
number.
means the smaller number.
Yes.
The smaller sign. The smaller sign. I mean.
Yes, the smaller sign we will put here. The number in the left hand side is smaller. Here is in the 100 place is 1. In 100 place here is also 1. But in tens place here is 5. And in tens place here is 6. So 5 is smaller than 6. So that means this is the smallest number. So we will put the sign of smaller. This is the sign of smaller. Now see the next one, see 600 and 730.
600. 730.
No, tell me 600 is bigger number or smaller number than 730?
Smaller number. 600 is smaller number.
Yes. And 586. 586, tell me.
Tell you what.
586. 586, tell me which sign we will put here.
Where?
Yes?
Do you see the problem?
Here it is 600, here it is 730. So 600 is smaller or 700 is smaller?
600.
600 is smaller. So we will put here the sign of smaller. Now see the next one, 793 and 545. Tell me which is bigger number?
The bigger number is 793. And the smaller number is 545 is the smaller number.
Yes, correct.
693.
The greater sign. The greater sign
Yes.
should be there.
Here the number on the left side is 793. That is the biggest number. So we'll put the greater sign. This is the sign of greater number. Okay, now see the next one. Question number 6. Circle the even number and underline the odd number. So tell me which number is even. 620 is even or not?
Circle number and underline the
We have to identify the even numbers and the odd numbers. So tell me.
Okay, so it says circle the even numbers and underline the odd numbers.
Yes, tell me whether 620 is even number or odd number.
Even number.
Everyone tell me. Yes, correct. Everyone tell me 620 is even number or odd number.
Even number.
Yes, you are correct. And others also tell me 502 and 586. I am not getting any reply from your side.
N94 is even. N542 is even.
43 is not even.
405 is odd, 881 is odd, and
Now
then
see
153 is odd.
See how we find the even number. How
Odd.
we are finding even numbers. What are the signs of even number? If the ones place is having the numbers like 0, 2,
0, 2, 4, 6,
Four.
8, 10, 12,
6,
14, 16.
8. Okay, these are the numbers. If these numbers are written in the ones place. In the ones place, if these numbers are there, it means it is even number. And rest
Okay.
other numbers is odd. So see here,
Okay.
the first one is 620.
There's a
620 in the
zero.
ones place.
So there's a 0 in the ones place.
Yes.
So there's a 0
zero
in the ones place, and the 0 is an even number, so that makes it an even number.
Yes. So 620, 0 is there in the ones place, so it is the even number.
Yep,
Now,
even number.
now tell me, is it even or odd?
The other one, 881 is odd.
Yes, ones place in the number is 1. 502.
Yeah, and 1
tell
is
me.
an odd number. 1 is an
Yes.
odd number, that makes the whole number odd.
Yes. Wait, 502. Tell me. 502. Tell me, is it even or odd?
Even number is
No. How is it even number? Tell me, is it even or odd?
It's 800.
502, 881. 881 is the even or odd?
Odd.
Odd.
Yes. Odd. How it is odd? In the ones place, the number is 1. Number is ones means it is not even. See, even numbers are having these numbers. This is not
Even numbers.
Yes, if the number
This
is
is
not even, it means it is odd. If the number is not even, it means it is odd. Now see the next one, 724.
even because it has a 4 and a 4 is an even
Yes.
number that is in the box. That makes
Correct.
Even.
586. 586. Tell me, is this even or odd?
uh
5,
It's in there.
I just said it, 586. Okay. So it was even?
Yes, this
Yes.
is even. Why this is even? Why this is even? Tell me.
Because it has a 2 and a 4?
Yes, it is having 4 in the ones place. That's why it is even. Now tell the next one, 980.
Huh?
Okay. So I would. Okay, it's odd.
Why it's odd? See the even number. What I've written here. 0 is in the even number or odd number.
0 is an even number.
So how you're telling this is odd?
Oh, that's even. 980 is even because there's a 0
Yes.
and 0 is an even number.
Yes, correct. 980 is even number. 502. 502. Tell me.
Okay. A 0 is even.
Yes, and now this one 502. Tell me 111 is even or odd?
Is it odd?
Yes. Why this is odd?
Because it has 3 ones in it.
Yes, because it has 1 in.
And 1 is an
place.
odd number.
Yes, correct. 1 is odd number. That's why this is odd number. Similarly to the next one.
The next one is odd number because there's a 5 and 5 is odd.
Yes, next one 465 is odd number because in one's place there is 5. Now tell
Yep.
the next one 143.
Odd because it has
This is
3
also odd
is an odd
number.
number. The
Yes,
even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and there's no
Yeah.
3 written in the even numbers, so that's an odd number.
Now 800 is even
300
number.
is even. Even.
Yes, 94 is also even. Because
Even.
4
And
is in the-
542 is also even because it has a 2,
Yes.
and a 2 is an even number.
Correct. Now see the next question. Make the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits without repetition. So we have to make here like the bigger number and smaller number. See,
Okay.
numbers are
So
4, 5 and 9. These three are the numbers given, and we have to make two numbers, that is the given number and the smallest number. So wait a minute, tell me first, what is the greatest number we can make from this number?
9
Greatest
and
number?
5. 9 and 5.
Yes. For making the greatest number, first we will write the bigger number in the front, that is 9.
And 9 and 5.
Then we will write
9 plus 5 is
smaller.
15.
Yes, and then we will write more smaller number. This is the greatest 3-digit number. How we have made the greatest number from these digits? First we have written the bigger number, then smaller, and then more smaller. So the first number is 954.
Yep.
Now see the next smallest number. Now it's turn to make the smallest number. How will make the smallest number from these three numbers?
4 and 5.
Yes, the smallest number here is 4. After that 5, and after that 9.
That makes 459.
Yes, this is the smallest number. So we will write the smallest number here. 459. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, it's clear to everyone in the whole entire world.
Okay. Now tell me 9 and 5. 9 and 5 are the two numbers, and
9
first
and
we have
5?
to make the greatest. Yes, 9 and 5 are two
The
numbers.
greatest number is 9, and you can do the greatest numbers you can do is 9 and 5. That's it.
Greatest number is 95. Okay.
Yes.
80,
And then
502 and 586. Tell me the greatest number.
I think
number
first 9.
954.
Yes, not 4. Only two numbers are here. See here, only two numbers are here. So 95 is the greatest number.
54.
95 is the greatest number,
And
how
then
to
the
get the
least
smallest
number is 59. 59 is the least number.
Yes, so we will write smallest number first and biggest last. So it will be 59 is the smallest
Least
number.
number.
Yes, least number is 59.
And which is the smallest number.
Yes, now tell me, is ascending order, descending order, forming the numbers, even odd numbers, everything is clear to you all or not?
Clear. Everything's clear.
And 502 and 586?
Okay.
Now tell me, both of you tell me, is it clear or not?
It is clear.
And why
And
do I
586?
always have to like say the answers?
586, tell me, is it clear or not?
It is clear.
Yeah, I would say it's clear.
No, I'm asking for 586. Tell me 586.
I would say it's clear.
Okay. So now up to here it is clear to everyone. So in
Yes,
the
it's
next
clear.
class, wait a minute, listen. In the next class, I will take the test. I will take the test up to what we have done in the next class.
Okay, I am not ready for the test.
You are ready?
No.
502, you have to be ready on the next class for the test. Okay, and 586, you also be prepared for the test. Whatever we have done, even number, odd number, forming the numbers, less number, more number, everything, ascending order, descending order.
Okay, I'm not ready though, but I can do it. Even though I'm not
There
ready.
is a time. There is 2 days time. You can do. Okay. You can see all the. I have posted. I have uploaded previous work, previous question were there in the meeting in the Teams. You can go there and you can find the questions. Okay. Just go through that question. and be ready for the test, everyone. Okay? And
Okay.
after the test from the next class, we'll start a new chapter, that is addition. Okay? Then you'll start the addition. Okay now, everyone, it's time to wind up the class.
Okay.
We'll meet next class.
Okay, bye.
Bye everyone.
See you in the next class, everyone. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.